Hello students, good afternoon. In our previous lecture of grammar part, we have discussed nouns and its exercise, correct? Here today, we are going to discuss our unit 2, common and proper nouns. Okay, common and proper nouns. So before we go for common and proper noun, let's revise the nouns. What is noun? Nouns are name of a people, places, animals and things. They are also called naming word. So in this chapter we have seen that in previous chapter in the previous chapter nouns we have seen the example of it, correct? Example of nouns and what it is. So all of those things we have seen. So nouns like Sanjay, Raju, cow, buffalo. So those are naming word, correct? So those are nouns. Okay, student. So in this we have understood in the previous chapter we have understood the nouns, what it is, what are and examples, correct? In exercise also we have filled noun, sentence noun and filling the blanks, and one passage is given. From that passage we have identified the different nouns. So all of that work we have done. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to discuss our common noun and proper nouns. So let's begin with common nouns. So here I have noted down few sentences. In that, if you read it, see, the spectators cheer the players. Spectators, the person who is watching the event. Okay, like we are the spectators. We are watching the match in a playground, cricket ground. So we are the spectators. Cheer the players. We are cheering the players. In the next sentence, a huge tree in a garden. If you see in a garden, there might be a huge tree. The hands were packing for worms. Okay, I made a salad for lunch. So you see here, I have marked the words in a blue color. Correct? In a blue color. So those blue color words are common. Correct? Spectator are common, not for us individual. It is indicating for all of who are watching match or any game in a ground. So all of are spectators. So it's a common in a general. Players also in a general. It can be a football player, it can be a cricket player. So players in a general we are talking. Garden. So in a city if you see there are lots of gardens, not a particular single garden. Okay. Worms. There are so many types of worms are there in world. So here we are talking about in general. Hands also are types of hands are there, but we are talking about in general. Salad or lunch. So in a lunch we will prepare so many things. So lunch we are calling it and it as a general. In a salad also if you see we prepare so many things like onion, carrot, so mango, those things we use in a salad also. So that is also, and cucumber also you can count. So those things are common word. Salad is a common word for those things. It's a common word. So here spectators, players, garden, hence worms, salad, lunch are common noun because it is indicating a general thing. Correct. So in your home also you see, in your regular life also you use this kind of words, common noun. So these are the common nouns. Okay, student. So let's write the definition of a common noun. I am writing here to easily understand it. A common noun is the general name given to a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Okay. So a common noun is what it is, that a common noun is the general name given to a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. So in our example you see, I have given spectator, players, those are a person name. Garden is one kind of a place. Ants and worms are animal. Salad and lunch are things. So you see here I have given the common noun examples. What are the common nouns? A general name. Main point you remember, general name. Okay. It is a general name given to a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. If you see playground, so that is a general name. Playground indicates one general ground. So that is a general, that is a common noun. Okay, student. We have seen what are the common nouns, what we call it, what are the naming word, we call it a common noun. Here I have shown you few example of it. Correct? Few sentence in that I have marked in a blue color what are the common nouns. So you can easily read it. Correct? Correct. Okay, let's see more example of it. Common noun. Okay, I'll go in the next slide. In that you see, I have already marked the people, places, and animal. See here. So I will write one by one. First, in a people, to call some person, what kind of noun is possible. Second, for places we will see. Third, for animal. And fourth, for things we will see what are the common nouns. Okay, student. So here for people, man, then woman, father, daughter, actor, lawyer, then potter, plumber, you can say brother. So all of these are a common noun. What are common nouns? How it is common? Because there are, if you are in your family, you see there are you have so many brothers, right? So in general you will say all brothers. In our class you see, or so many people are standing, you can identify these are the men, these are the women. Okay, so in general you are telling man, woman. In general you will say father, mother, daughter, actor. So in general all of the words you are talking, right? So these are the common people name, a person name, correct? If some person are there standing, so many person are standing, suppose, so so many students you count, suppose there are so many students are standing. So what you will say, boys stand this side, girls stand this side. So boys you use for all the male person to stand this side. So boys is a common noun for indicating persons, that students, correct? If particular person is there, we call it as a plumber. How? Because in a world there are so many plumbers, so to call one person, particular person, we use plumber name. Okay, so that is a common noun. So for places, what kind of places? Like house, garden, park, school, temple, mosque, gurudwara, church. So all of these are a common word. See, in the city there may be so many gurudwara. City there will be so many temples. So temple we will use as a common word, correct? So let write house, correct? Then we can say temple, gurudwara, gurudwara, church, and mosque. Then you can say school, park, school, park, garden. So these are the common noun for a place. Okay. See, there are so many house. So in general you are calling for all house. So many temple are there. So in general you are telling temple. So many church will be there. So you will say so many church, right? So many schools are there in a city. So we will call it common as a school, park, garden. So all of these are common word which is used for common places, common nouns. These are the common noun for places. Okay, student. Then we will see the animal name. What are the common name we will use for animal? Like goat, donkey, leopard, rhinoceros, dove, sparrow, cockroach. So these are the common animal name. Okay, student. So let's write. Also you can say that ant, and then donkey, goat, leopard, rhinoceros, then you can say dove, sparrow, cockroach. Okay, or bee. So these are the common name for animal like buffalo, cow. That also you can add. Okay, so how it is common, like if I will say my dove name is Jack, or my sparrow name is Jack. So sparrow is a common noun, sparrow, but Jack will be the proper noun because we are indicating the particular. So we will see the proper noun what it is in the next slide. But first we will finish these examples. Okay. So the animals, different animals are there. So in a common, there are so many types of ant is there. So in common we will call it as a ant. So many donkeys are there. We call it as a donkey. So these are in a general we are calling all the names. In a general we are talking about the name. So this general naming is a common noun. And then we will see for the things cucumber, mango, rose, bus, bag, pencil box, neck, school bag, jar. All of these are common thing. Correct. So let's write cucumber, mango, rose, neck, pencil box, bag, telephone, jar. You see here, mango. There are so many types: Kesar mango, Hafus mango. So those are types of it. But in general, we call it as a mango. Similarly, for cucumber, in general, there are so many red rose are there, white rose are there, pink rose are there, yellow rose are there. But we are calling rose in a general form. Correct? So general name rose. So that is common noun. Pencil box, snack, bag, telephone, jar. All of these are a general thing. There are different size of jar will be there. So we call it in a general jar. So these are the general names. So these are the common nouns. So we saw the people, places, animals and things. General name, general noun. So that is common noun. That is our common nouns. Understood, student? If you have a doubt, you ask me. Okay. Please read it for 5 seconds. I will keep hold myself. Okay, student. We will go for now proper noun. So remember the common noun. I will made a difference between common noun and proper noun. Okay. Let's go for next proper noun. So here Chetan Bhagat, Golden Temple, Jack and Matilda. I am marking in a blue color. Okay. I am explaining you. See, first my favorite author is Chetan Bhagat. Okay. Second, we are going to offer prayer at the Golden Temple. We are going for prayer in a Golden Temple. Then Jack the Frog loves swimming in the pond. The frog is there, its name is Jack. So it loves swimming in the pond. Have you read the book Matilda? So one book name is Matilda. Have you read it? So you see here Chetan Bhagat. that is unique person name, one person name, that is author of that or writer. Okay. And in second sentence you see golden temple. So there is one golden temple only, that is in Amritsar, Punjab. Frog. So there might be so many frog, but here we are talking about one particular frog, that name is Jack. And in the last we are talking about a particular book which title is Matilda. So these are the unique name. So these are the person particular name. So these are the proper noun. If in our class you see one student name is Sanjay, one girl name is Avni, or another girl name is Kinjal, another student name is Rahul. You think, see, Sanjay, Rahul, Avni, Kinjal, Krishna. So these are Swati, or you can count. You can say Sanjay, Raju, Mahesh, Hardik. Correct. So everyone has a particular name. So this particular naming word is a proper noun. Because if I will say Sanjay, so that particular student only will stand up. If I will say Avni, so that particular student girl is only will stand up. Correct. So those name are indicating a particular, a specific person, or so those are the proper noun. So if specific word is coming, a specific name is coming, so that is a proper noun. Okay, I will write down here a proper noun is the specific. I told you a specific or particular, a particular person. Name given to a person, a place, an animal, or a thing. Okay, student. See here in example I have wrote above the sentences I wrote. You see there. My favorite author is Chetan Bhagat. So Chetan Bhagat is one particular author name. So that is a person name which is specific or particular name. So that is our proper noun. Golden Temple. Golden Temple is a one particular place, one particular temple name. So that is a proper place name. So that is a proper noun. Jack. Jack is a frog. So that is an animal. So animal name is Jack. So that is also frog particular name, a specific name. So that Jack is a proper noun. Matilda. What it is? It is a book. So book is a kind of a thing. So that book particular name or specific name is Matilda. So Matilda is a proper noun. So there is one rule which we need to remember always, that we always begins a proper noun with a capital letter, with a capital letter. Okay, you see above example, you identify whichever I have marked in a blue color, you see all are written with a capital letter only. Chetan Bhagat, in that also I made capital letter. Golden Temple, Jack, Matilda, all of these started with capital letter. So those are the proper noun. So this point we should remember. Don't forget, you have to fit this word in your mind. Capital letter is there, that is proper noun. It means whenever the noun will start with capital letter, that is our proper noun only. Okay, so understood about the specific name or particular name, that is our proper noun. So let's see few example of it. I have marked here. See, people, places, all of these are different types. In a people, what are the proper noun? Places, animals, things, days of week, months of year, festival, languages, continents, ocean, seas, rivers and mountains, monuments, building and towers. So all of these will be identified with a common proper noun. So I will write the example here, that is Navya, like starting for Navya, Avni, Sanjay, Amitabh, Bachchan, correct. Then you can say Madhav, Raju. Also one last we will write Keshav. You see, I wrote all of this with a capital letter and all of our unique name: Navya, Avni, Sanjay, Amitabh Bachchan, Madhav, Raju, Keshav, Virat Kohli, MS Dhoni. So these are a particular person name. MS Dhoni is one only. Our Indian cricket captain was there. In previously he was the captain. Currently Virat Kohli is a captain. So Virat Kohli. So those are the common name. Specific or particular name for the people. So those are the proper noun. Understood, student? So now let's see the places name. Like Surat is one place, correct? India is one country. I'll write down in a bracket. That is Surat is a city. You can write down Ahmedabad also. That is also the city, correct? Then you can write any town, small town name, correct? Bhimtala, Bhimtal. That is one kind of a small town. Then you can write a village name. Your village name also you can write. I am writing down some other village name is a Tana. Tana is there, correct? That is near in a district of Bhavnagar. So that is a village, correct? So we have seen the example of places which is particular for one place. Like Surat. So many cities are in the country, but Surat is a unique city. So that is a proper noun. For animals, kitty, Sher Khan, Bhalu, Bruno. See, Sher Khan is one tiger name which is given. Kitty, one cat name is given. Or Balu maybe some kind of a deer name is given. Bruno also maybe some kind of frog or some different animal name is given. So if animal name is there, particular name is there, that is a proper noun. Now we will see for different things. You see the movie The Lion King. Lion King. That is one movie, correct? Or Life of Pi. So The Lion King is one movie. That is film. Or I can write it here in a place of movie. Film. So that is a thing. Film is a thing. And its particular name is The Lion King. Correct? Correct it? Okay. Now Hindustan Times. Hindustan Times. So it is one kind of a newspaper. Newspaper. Correct. So it is a newspaper. Now next what we can see that any children magazine are there, that also you can write, or like I will write down Champak. Okay, this is a children's magazine. You can write down any book name is there. There's we have seen the Matilda. That is one kind of a book name. That is one particular book name. So those are the things. So those are the common, sorry, proper noun. Here proper noun. So days of the week. In the days of the week, what are the days are there? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So those are the proper noun. Monday, Sunday, then we can say Friday, Saturday, Wednesday. So these are the proper noun of a week. Days of the week, those are also proper noun. You can write down all 7. Okay. Months of the year. So our year, there are months, 12 months are there. Those naming also are a proper noun, like April, February, then I can say June, May, July, September, October, November, December. All of these are the months of the year name, and those are the proper noun. Okay, student. Let's see some festival. Janmashtami, and Deepavali, or you can say Diwali. Then we can say Bihu. Bihu is Assam state festival. Okay. Onam and Pongal. See, Onam and Pongal are Karnataka and Kerala state, Karnataka, Kerala, and Tamil Nadu state festival. They enjoy this festival. So the Onam, Pongal are South festival. Diwali is we are celebrating in whole country. Janmashtami, North Indian state countries, North state of Indian country, India. India's north states will enjoy this Diwali in whole country. Bihu is Assam state, northeast country, that is Assam. Onam, Pongal, those are the south state enjoys. Northeast states enjoys Bihu. Okay, so these are the different festival. Then languages, we can say English, Hindi, Gujarati, Urdu, Telugu, Tamil, Kannada, okay, Kannada, Malayalam. So these are the different languages which are we are talking in our country, correct? So So Kannada is a Karnataka language. Sorry, Kannada. I forgot to mention A here. That is Kannada. Malayalam is a Kerala language. Then if you see Urdu, Telugu is a Andhra Pradesh language. Gujarati is Gujarat language. Hindi is a whole our official language, and English, those also a common language. So those are language name. Those are the language we are speaking in our country, and those are the proper name of that language, a unique name, a particular name for the particular language. So those are the proper nouns. Now we will see continent. Asia is one continent. The Pacific Ocean, that is one ocean name. Then we write the Mediterranean Sea. Mediterranean Sea, that is one kind of sea name in there. Then the Godavari or the Ganga, that is one river name. Or Mount Everest is one mountain name. So you see there are a particular and specific name for the each continent, ocean, sea, river and mountain. So those are the particular names. So those are the proper nouns. Okay, now you will see the monuments, buildings and towers. So monuments, what is the monument? That is the gateway of India. Gateway of India, which is in Mumbai, correct? Gateway of India is there. That is one monument. That is a historical place. So that is one particular name. Mysore Palace. Mysore Palace. That is one historical place in a Mysore state, Mysore city. That is one kind of building is there, Mysore Palace. So that is also one proper noun. And the towers, the Leaning Tower of Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa. Okay. So that is also a proper noun, because that Leaning Tower is has a particular name. Correct? The Leaning Tower of Pisa. One building is there in a Mysore city, that is Mysore Palace. That is also proper noun for that particular building. And Gateway of India, that is one kind of monuments in our country, that is placed in a Mumbai. That is one place in a Mumbai, the Gateway of India. That is one monument. That is one kind of historical place. So that is also one proper noun. So here in this chapter we have seen people, places, animal, things, days of week, months of the year, festival, languages, continent, ocean, seas, river and mountains, monuments, buildings and towers. For all of these we have seen one specific or particular names example. So these are the proper nouns. Okay student. So please in the next, what you do in your homework, you read this, understand this common noun and proper noun, write the examples of it in your notebook. If you remember any other example, that also you write it down. Okay, and in the next lecture what we will do, we will go for the exercises. Okay student. So in the homework what you need to do, you need to write down all these theory and examples discussed in a class. Okay, or you can write down from your textbook also. We will see you. If you have a doubt, you can ask me, whichever way it is possible. Do your homework. From the next week we will start to learn the new spellings. I will give you daily 10 spellings which you need to prepare or remember. Okay student, we will see you in a next lecture. Thank you. I will see you in a next lecture. Thank you very much.